Hello, my name's Martin Gurdon. I'm a motoring journalist who keeps chickens, and this is Richard the cockerel. Richard is a Brahma, so he's a Victorian fancy chicken, and he quite fancies himself actually. I mean, he sort of looks a bit like Beau Brummel with spurs, a bit of a male bimbo. And although he looks rather elegant, he is in fact a pea-brained, testosterone-addled misogynist. Which means that if anybody comes anywhere near his girls, including me and the dog, he gets very jealous and starts doing a kind of war dance and chases after us. On a couple of occasions I've bent over to collect some eggs from our bantams and seen a fast approaching cockerel charging my bottom. So we're on a charm offensive to try and modify his behaviour, which is why he's sitting on my lap. This is a sort of cockerel love-in. And you can see he quite enjoys it. He quite enjoys eating out of my hand. Anything involving food is always pleasing to a chicken. But it also shows him that I'm not his love rival, that I'm bigger than he is, and that when I turn up, nice things happen. So we have sort of half-hour love-in sessions like this, which looks a little bit eccentric, and I wear old trousers for obvious reasons. And when I put him down, he scoots off and swears at me from a distance, but relations are definitely improving. Part of the charm offensive involves wattle tickling and a bit of a shoulder massage. You can consider it kind of avian Pilates meets mindfulness classes. And to start with, his poor little brain fizzes with rage and fury at being stuck in this way, but after a while he starts to think, well, it could be worse. A bit more wattle tickling then.